Fidgets from 0 to 10. My dimple, 7 out of 10 because I think they copied puppets. I'm going to give these because they're a bit smaller and you can carry more around. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Definitely. This, 0 out of 10. Got stuck in my sister's hair. Monkey noodles, 9 out of 10. Good for wiggling around and they make this cool noise when I wiggle mine around. My infinity cube, 10 out of 10 off the bat. The best. My broken fidget spinner that can break easily even if I get a new one. But it does glow up, see? Can you see the flashing light? That. Alright, my hexagon puppet, 10 out of 10. My wacky trucks, 5 out of 10. They nearly hit my little brother as you were playing with them, and then, yeah. My mouse face puppet, 10 out of 10. It's the biggest puppet I have. It's 0 out of 10. This is a bloody mistake, whoever made this.